Well, here we are in Chapter 7, and with Chapter 7, we are mainly going to be looking at these three things. So, adding multiple forms to a project, and you'll see how to do that. And you'll have some that'll have several in there, so it makes it kind of fun. There's the modules section that you'll see, and then the back of the chapter is all about doing a menu system, which is kind of fun. So, you get to play with that a little bit. So, Chapter 7. I went ahead and opened it now. I'm sure you saw the message already. I extended the one for the function. So if I just scroll up a little bit, you'll see all the assignments for functions have been moved back to November 4th. So it's kind of a lot. I know some of you have done almost all of them, I think, so far. But that's okay. Take a little more time if you need it. So the functions chapter is a little tricky. So give you a little bit more time to work on that. And so for this one, for chapter 7, what we're doing is we'll make these due on November 11th. So you'll see the assignments here. And that gives us, a kind of a little overlapping piece of time here. So if you take more time on functions, then it'll give you a little bit less time on this chapter, on chapter 7. Chapter 7 is not as difficult, though, I don't think. So adding in the multiple forms is not too tough, and doing the menu system again, not too bad. It's just once you do it, then you'll go, oh, okay, this is a piece of cake. I can do this every time. And like I said, using the menu system is kind of fun anyway. So anyway, so we have that piece in there. I did want to show you one more thing. I put in here I like this astronomy program, but I modified the instructions. So just to show you just really quickly, let me bump this up a little bit. This is the astronomy helper program, but I went ahead and changed some things. So I put all of the planets in here. I just changed kind of the way they had this section was at the back. So if you're looking in your book, you're like, where'd this come from? Well, it was at the back of the problem. But anyway, I cut and pasted that all in there. But when you're taking a look at this, make sure you look at the video. It's only 6 minutes long, but it has a lot of different things in it. So it walks you through doing different things, shows you how to create an about box, shows you the right way to copy a form so that you don't get errors. It's not as simple as just copy and paste. So, well, it kind of is, but you have to know how to do it the right way. And then the other couple of things that I threw in here, use just pick 4 of these. So they wanted you to do all of them. That's a lot of forms. So but pick 4 planets and just use those. All right. So maybe you really like Neptune, right? So maybe you're like, I'm gonna use Neptune. Okay, great. So pick 4 different planets and build your program, and then use your own images for these. So that your own images. I mean, right? The images that you're gonna find from a Google search. But anyway, so find some images for these and use your own images. It makes it a little bit more fun to pick your own planet images out, I think. So anyway, so you have that piece in there. I think you guys will. I don't know. This one's kind of a fun one. I also think that if we step back into here, I mean the dorm one's kind of cool and stuff, but I think the skateboard designer should be a really fun program too, just because this one's a design your own anyway. So they don't give you any pictures or anything like that. So when you take a look at this one, I think that one could be kind of fun. So as you're playing with those, I guess I'm most excited to see that one probably, just to see kind of what you guys do with it. So anyway, so that's it for that. So you have a little bit more time for chapter 6, and so you don't feel rushed this weekend. Some of you may be tired from staying up and watching the 7.5 hour baseball game last night. So anyway, so we have that going for us with chapter 6, and then chapter 7. All the stuff is due on November 11th. All right, so I guess that's it. So have fun.